Hello everyone, welcome to DigiWiz. Today we are going to be creating the digital sound recorder. Lay your parts out on your workstation as shown in the instruction manual. First things first, take your 6mm screws and fix the short white pillars onto the corners of the yellow board. If you're confused about how it should look, there is a picture in your instruction manual. When you're done, it should look like this. Great job! On to the next step. Now we are going to place our 4mm screws and 10mm screws to fix the side switch, cross socket, and the connection terminal onto their corresponding hole locations on your yellow board. They should look exactly like they do in your instruction manual picture. Screw them all tightly into place, and you're done. On to the next step. Use 6mm screws to fix the voice module onto the yellow board. Make sure you're placing it in the correct position, as shown in the instruction manual. Next, we're going to turn over our yellow board and fasten our battery box in place. We will do this using 4mm screws . When that is securely fastened, take the red and black cords that are coming out of your battery box, fasten your red cord onto the underside of your press switch in the middle center hook. Tie it around so that it is securely fastened and will not fall apart. We are going to take our spare red cord and fasten that to our press switch on the right side. For our next step, we're going to use our 6mm screws to fasten the cross piece onto our yellow board as shown in our instruction manual. Take your black cord from your battery box and put that through the hole as shown in your instruction manual. We are going to take our spare red cord and fasten that to our press switch. Once that is securely fastened, place it through the hole with the black cord onto the top of the yellow board. Take your black cord from your battery box and put that through the hole as shown in your instruction manual. Next, we are going to fasten our speaker . Next, we are going to fasten our speaker onto our yellow board, as well as our white press switch. When they're securely fastened, they should look like this. When all these steps are followed, like in the instruction manual, you are then going to add your batteries into your battery box and then switch on your sound recorder to make a test. You can use key 1, 2, and 3. Key 1 is for recording, key 2 is to play your sound clip, and key 3 is to select play. When this is done, you will have your very own sound recorder.
Testing Charlie Delta. DigiWiz. Testing Charlie Delta.
Testing Charlie Delta. DigiWiz. Testing Charlie Delta.
Congratulations! You now have the power to capture the sounds around you in your very own voice and sound recorder. Well done! See you next time!